If you want crispy wings, roasted veggies, and weeknight meals with less oil, this guide is for you. We compare capacity, wattage, preheat speed, temperature range, and smart features to highlight the best air fryers for every kitchen. Whether you cook for one or a family, you'll see how basket size, presets, and cleanup affect usability. Expect buying tips, pros and cons, and standout models across budgets, so you can pick a reliable air fryer that fits your counter and routine. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer. If you want crispy, quick meals without crowding your counter, the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer makes everyday cooking simple. You choose how hands-on to be. Tap one of 4 cooking presets for one-touch results, or use the digital touchscreen to set time and temperature precisely. Automatic shutoff adds peace of mind when you're juggling dinner and everything else. You control the crunch. With 450 degrees Fahrenheit high-fry technology, you can boost heat during the final 2 minutes to finish wings, tenders, and fries with an extra crispy bite. The 4-quart capacity is dialed for 2 to 4 servings, ideal for weeknights, small families, or meal prep sides, while the slim, narrow body saves space on the counter or fits easily in a cabinet. Cleanup is straightforward. The non-stick basket and rack are dishwasher safe, so you spend less time scrubbing and more time eating. And because air frying uses little to no added oil, you can serve lighter versions of your favorites without sacrificing texture. The build is practical and durable with metal and plastic construction that holds up to daily use, and the responsive touchscreen keeps you informed at a glance. If you want fast, consistent results, easy cleanup, and a space-saving design, this compact air fryer gives you the control and convenience to cook better, quicker meals any day of the week. At number 4, Ninja AF141 Air Fryer. If you want quick, crispy results with minimal oil, the Ninja AF141 makes weeknight cooking straightforward. Air crisp technology circulates 400 degrees Fahrenheit superheated air around your food, delivering a satisfying crunch with up to 75% less fat than deep frying. From frozen snacks to fresh veggies, you'll go from prep to plate in minutes. You're covered for more than fries. With 4-in-1 functionality, air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, you can crisp wings, roast salmon and potatoes, revive leftovers, or make dried fruit and jerky without extra gadgets. The programmable temperature control and timer keep results consistent. An automatic shutoff adds peace of mind when life gets busy. Capacity fits real meals. The 5-quart non-stick basket and crisper plate handle up to 4 pounds of French fries or about 5 pounds of chicken wings, so you can cook for the family or batch prep without juggling multiple rounds. Cleanup stays easy thanks to the non-stick surfaces. You'll also save counter space. Ninja's compact design trims the footprint without sacrificing volume, so it earns a permanent spot on your counter rather than your cabinet. If you're after fast heat, versatile modes, and reliably crisp textures with less oil, this air fryer gives you the control, capacity, and convenience to make better everyday meals without the mess of deep frying. Number 3, we have the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. If you want one countertop workhorse that does it all, the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer brings air fry, bake, roast, rotisserie, and dehydrate into a single, easy-to-use appliance. Rapid air heating delivers fast, even results without the long preheats of a traditional oven. So weeknight dinners and weekend meal prep move quicker with less hassle. You're in control of crisp and doneness. Use 17 one-touch presets on the capacitive touchscreen to nail wings, veggies, fries, or a whole rotisserie chicken with minimal guesswork. For lighter cooking, you'll get that golden crunch using up to 98% less oil than deep frying, great for everyday meals that still taste indulgent. Capacity fits family life. The extra-large 10-quart chamber handles mains and sides together or bigger batches for meal prep. 3 airflow racks let you cook on multiple levels, while the stainless steel rotisserie spit turns out evenly roasted results. A drip tray helps manage messes and simplifies cleanup. You can keep an eye on everything. The bright interior light and oversized viewing window make it easy to check progress without opening the door and losing heat. Stainless steel construction and a sleek black finish give it a polished, durable presence on your counter. If you want faster cooking, healthier crunch, and true versatility in one appliance, this Chefman makes consistent family-sized meals straightforward from preset to plated. At number 2, Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer. If you want faster, crispier results with real control, the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer gives you power and finesse in a family-friendly size. TurboBlaze technology spins a high-efficiency fan up to 3,600 revolutions per minute and heats to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So fries, wings, salmon, and veggies come out golden and juicy without lengthy preheats. You dial in texture precisely. Choose from 9 versatile cooking functions and fine-tune with 5 fan speeds and a wide 90 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range. Need speed or extra crunch? Pick one of the 4 turbo modes. Prefer gentler drying for fruit or jerky? Drop the fan speed and temp for even low and slow airflow. The ceramic-coated basket and crisper tray are non-stick, durable, and easy to clean, while the 6-quart square design maximizes cooking area without hogging counter space. Ideal for weeknight dinners or meal prep. Automatic shutoff adds peace of mind when life gets busy. Cooking support is built in. Explore 100+ in-app recipes with nutrition facts to match your goals, or use the included manual and recipe booklet for quick inspiration. With consistent heat distribution and adjustable airflow, you'll get evenly cooked results bite after bite. If you want a single appliance that's fast, flexible, and easy to live with, TurboBlaze helps you serve crisp, tender meals on your schedule. Less oil, less guesswork, and more reliable results for the whole family. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer. If you want fast, crispy results without juggling multiple appliances, the Instant Vortex Plus streamlines weeknight cooking. You get 6 functions: air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and reheat. So wings, salmon, veggies, and leftovers all happen in one place with little to no preheating. You're in control of texture and doneness. Set the temperature from 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit to go ultra low for gentle dehydrating, or crank it up for a blistering finish. One-touch presets and an intuitive touchscreen keep the process simple, showing each stage at a glance so you don't second-guess timing. Capacity fits real life. The 6-quart basket handles up to 6 portions, ideal for families, hearty sides, or weekly meal prep. Even crisp airflow technology circulates heat efficiently to deliver that golden crunch with up to 95% less oil than deep frying, helping you cut grease without sacrificing flavor. Daily use is straightforward. The stainless steel finish looks sharp on the counter and wipes clean easily, while the basket's non-stick interior makes cleanup quick. From frozen fries to roasted vegetables to next-day pizza that tastes fresh again, you'll move from prep to plate with fewer steps. If you're after versatility, speed, and consistently crisp results, this air fryer gives you the control, capacity, and convenience to make better meals with less effort. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which air fryer you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.